AC machines to three-phase induction motors. So objectives, applications of induction motor and the comparison of synchronous and induction motors. Here, three-phase induction motor is the most widely used in industry and workshops. The squirrel cage motor is generally built in small size up to a few kilowatts. For bigger size wound rotor motors are preferred. An induction motor is a nearly constant speed. Motors has hardly any competitor. Other types of motors are considered only when a variable speed drive is needed. Applications of three-phase induction motors of size varying from half a kilowatt to thousands of kilowatt are numerous. The induction motors are found everywhere, from a small workshop to a large manufacturing industry. So before it is possible to specify an appropriate motor for a given applications, it is necessary to know the load characteristics. So load characteristics will include items like horsepower requirement, starting torque, speed variation, duty cycle, and environmental conditions, etc. Applications of various types with respect to starting current. So here application of various types of squirrel cage motors and wound rotor motors are mentioned below. Here the squirrel cage rotor, general purpose with normal torque and normal starting current. Applications here: fans, blowers, centrifugal pumps, and line shifting tubes, wells, floor mills, etc. High starting torque and low starting current. Low starting current. Here applications: conveyors, compressors, crushers, reciprocating pumps. High starting current, medium current, and high slip. Used for inertial loads such as shears, punch presses, die stamping, etc. So on rotor motor, these motors are used in situations where the high starting torque and low starting current is required, such as conveyors, hoist, compressors, pumps, etc. And squirrel cage motor, here it has moderate starting torque and constant speed. Characteristics are found for driving fans, blows, water pumps, grinders, printing machines, drilling machines, lathe machines. For slip ring motors, it has having high starting torque, preferred for lifts, hoist, elevators, cranes, compressors. Here, the comparison between the synchronous motor and the induction motor. Here, the serial number 1, synchronous motor, induction motor. So here the synchronous motor is not self-starting and induction motor is self-starting. Next one. Here the construction is complicated for synchronous motor and the construction is simple, particularly in case of cage motor. Speed control is not possible in synchronous motor. Why? It is constant speed. This speed control is possible in induction motor. It runs at constant speed, so the synchronous speed is irrespective of the load. It cannot be run at synchronous speed. The speed decreases as the load increases. The speed decreases as the load increases. Now synchronous motor. So it is doubly excited machine and it requires DC excitation. Induction motor, it is singly excited machine and does not require any DC excitation. So now it can operate with a wide range of power factors, both lagging and leading. So the induction motor, it always operates at a lagging power factor. Now in 7th serial number, it is used for supplying mechanical loads as well as power factor improvements. Now it is used for supplying mechanical loads only. Is used for supplying mechanical loads only. Now next one is its torque is less expensive to change in supply voltage, and for the induction motor Its torque is more sensitive to change fine supply voltage. To change in supply voltage. For the synchronous motor, number 9. The hunting starts as load changes suddenly. As the hunting starts as load changes suddenly, the phenomena of hunting is absent. The phenomena of hunting is absent. 10th one is, it is very much costlier and requires the maintenance. So for synchronous motor, it is much costlier and requires the maintenance. The induction motor, it's cheaper and almost maintenance free, particularly in case of cage motors. The summary is, we have discussed the applications of induction motors, comparison of synchronous and induction motors. Thank you.